Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to set up SaneBox for your email. So the first step would be search SaneBox on your web browser, click on the first link, create your SaneBox account. I'm gonna create mine through Google and choose your active Google account. Click on continue and then click on allow. Once you get to this page, you can choose to watch the introductory video here. Well, I'm going to skip that, so I'll just click here. Click on continue. Once you come to this page, you can choose what folders to add to your email. For example, this folder @sane black hole takes all the annoying repeating emails inside it, so you won't get any notifications for the unnecessary mails. The second one, that is @sane receipts, this folder automatically keeps your bills and receipts, making your inbox less cluttered. So if you make a lot of transactions, then this folder is very helpful for you. Third one is Sane News. This folder organizes and keeps all the emails which contains all newsletters and advertisements. As per your needs, you select how many folders you want to add. For this video, I'm going to select all these folders. Whenever you want to add any folder, you just need to click on the folder you want to add and then click on Yes, turn it on. And then once you get to this page, you need to click on Looks Good. Once you click here, you need to click on this arrow. You can read this if you want. And again, you need to click on the arrow. Once you click on the arrow, SaneBox will suggest you more folders which you can add. For example, this folder, which is Sane No Replies. This folder keeps copies of emails you sent that still need a reply. You can choose to turn it on by clicking on Yes, turn it on. But for this video, I'm not going to choose this folder, so I'll just click on Maybe Later. Just to make sure, if you don't choose any specific folder right now, then it's not a big deal. You can always enable and disable folders from the settings. And once you're done choosing your folders, you can click on Done here, and then you will get to your SaneBox dashboard. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.